Taizhou Haodema Machinery Company Limited has been deeply involved in the field of fluid connections for more than 30 years, always focusing on the research and development, production, and sales of fluid connectors. Embracing craftsmanship and striving forward, Haodema connects customer needs with new product research and development and makes innovations continuously. We can produce hose joints, hose assemblies, transition joints, flanges, valve blocks, and other products. We can customize design drawings to produce non-standard joints to meet diverse needs. With a focus on creating high-quality products, Haodema connects excellence with product manufacturing. We have a large-scale machining center equipped with digital precision control. Allowing for smooth cutting and drilling between micrometers with ease. Through highly integrated control systems and precise mechanical structures, we collaborate to create high-quality products. Haodema has achieved the full process manufacturing of joint assembly, and it has an integrated hose assembly production line. By carefully ensuring quality, Haodema connects precision testing with finished product quality inspection. Each product undergoes a complete and rigorous testing process to ensure compliance with national standards and has passed the ISO 9001:2015 quality management system. With a sincere attitude towards customers, Haodema connects high-quality service with cooperation, ensuring efficient and orderly product delivery. Its professional and considerate after-sales service attitude has enabled Haodema to gain numerous high-quality customers. Every word and action with sincerity and honesty, with one heart and one mind connecting the world. Welcome to Taizhou Haodema Machinery Company Limited.